Welcome. In this video series, we will learn more about Italy through its regional flavors. We will start in the northwest, exploring the delicacies of Liguria, Piedmont and Lombardy. Next, we will shift the focus to Veneto, Friuli Venezia Giulia, and Trentino Alto Adige. Liguria. In the western Riviera we find fresh pesto, a key ingredient in Genoese pesto. This sauce made from fresh basil is blended with olive oil, garlic, pine nuts and Parmesan cheese to enhance the flavor of the sea. Another typical dish is Genovese focaccia, which is soft and digestible and perfect with cold cuts and cheeses. We close with the cappon magro, a seafood salad made with sole, shrimp, hard-boiled eggs and seasonal vegetables, all enhanced with a thin layer of mayonnaise. For the perfect pairing, we recommend Ligurian white wines such as Vermentino and Rossisi. Piedmont. In Piedmontese cuisine, the best-known dish is bagna cotta, a creamy sauce of anchovies, garlic, and olive oil in which to dip raw vegetables. Typical first courses include agnolotti del plin, stuffed with minced meat. And tajarin all'albese, thin noodles to be tossed with butter and sage. The king of main courses, however, is braised beef in Barolo, tender beef stewed in the prized Piedmontese wine. To accompany these specialties, nothing better than Piedmontese red wines such as Barbera and Nebbiolo. Lombardy. In the land of Lombardy, it is a must to taste risotto alla Milanese with marrow and saffron, which give it a unique color and flavor. Also not to be missed is the cotoletta alla Milanese, a soft breaded and fried slice of veal. We close with salami brianza, a cured sausage with an intense flavor. As wines we pair Franciacorta whites and Valtellina reds. Veneto. In Venetian cuisine, pasta is the protagonist, such as risotto e bisi, which is made with fresh peas. Also try the fegato alla veneziana, soft veal liver in batter. Perfect then is the pairing with the inevitable Prosecco from Veneto, the perfect expression of the territory. Friuli Venezia Giulia. San Daniele DOP prosciutto, with a slightly smoky taste, stands out in this region. Also worth tasting is Gabbana, a Christmas dessert made of leavened sweet dough with a filling of walnuts, raisins, pine nuts, sugar, grappa, and grated lemon peel. We close with Romandolo, a white wine with an aromatic fragrance. Trentino Alto Adige. Of the first courses from Trentino Alto Adige, we find strangle apriti, small balls of fresh pasta, and canaderli, bread dumplings. For the perfect pairing we recommend Teraldigo, an elegant red wine from a local grape variety. Conclusions. We have just set off on our tour of Italian culinary delights, stopping in this first installment in the north. In future episodes we will explore the delights of central and southern Italy. Subscribe to the channel to be kept up to date on the continuation of this series of travels in Italian regional gastronomy.